Hello, my fellow mathematician. Welcome to this study whereby we are considering identity matrix of n by n, which is represented by identity matrix of order n by n is represented by I subscript n. Here we are considering this matrix here. It is identity matrix, and the matrix is identity if the element on the leading diagonal is 1. The entry of the element on the main diagonal is 1, 1, like this. This is 1, the other one is 1. And the other element on the other diagonal is 0. Or the entry is 0 in the other diagonal. So that is what is called the identity matrix. And it is denoted by IN, which is of order n by n. This is a matrix, an identity matrix of order 2 by 2. This other one is identity matrix of order 3 by 3 because you can see the element on the main diagonal. The entry of the element on the main diagonal or leading diagonal is 1, 1. The other entries is 0, 0. So that gives you identity matrix as shown here. This is also 2 by 2 identity matrix represented by I2. Now, multiplication of a matrix with the identity matrix does not affect the result. The identity matrix is called so because it does not affect other multipliable matrices. It retains the identity of the object the way it was. For example, let us see the effect of multiplying this matrix, which is a matrix of 2 by 2, with this other identity matrix, which is 2 by 2. So this matrix is compatible. It can be multiplied because the number of columns on the first matrix is equal to the number of rows on the second matrix. So to multiply, we multiply the column, or we can decide to multiply the row of the first matrix with the column of the second matrix to get the first element. So you will have 1 times A, which will give you A, plus 0 times B to give you 0. Second, so first row, second column to give you the second element. So you have 1 times C to give you C, plus 0 times D to give you plus 0. Next, you have second row, first column to give you the element here. So 0 times A will give you 0, plus 1 times B to give you B. Next, you have 0 times C to give you 0, 1 times D to give you, of course, that is plus D. That way. So A plus 0 will give you A, C plus 0 will give you 0, 0 plus B will give you B, 0 plus D will give you D. So you can see our matrix A is retained. So when you multiply a matrix by an identity matrix, you don't affect its element. The element remain the same. So to identify identity matrix, always you check the effect of multiplying with that element. Or in the other ones, the element on the leading diagonal are always 1, and the other entries are 0, 0. So in the next video, we are going to look at how to get inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix, making use of identity matrix. So thanks so much for taking time to study with me identity matrix. For other video tutorials on matrix, you can check in my YouTube channel so that you get the study. Bye bye. See you in the next study.